Alrighty guys, welcome back. Last episode was my 50th episode. So excited, are you excited? As if that's gone over 2 million. It's probably because people are like, oh my god, Walmart right. And then they play it and they're disappointed because you don't do anything but drive in a straight line. Ugh. Detailed riff, done that one, done that. That one. Oh man, we did all of these. Stinger. Pew pew. You versus your son. Beat your son in the ball for breakfast. So yeah, last episode was my 50th. I feel old. I've done 50 happy ones. Press Z to start. No. He's winning, isn't he? Though I'm pretty sure he got killed, so it doesn't count. Whee! Hello there. How are you doing? Okay.
Damn it!
He died, doesn't count.
Oh!
Alrighty, epic ball. So I did the one. Hot donation to Pascal's man. Oh my god, I've done all of these to bus. Harpoon, Grandpa Long John. Yourself for. Nah, mine's impossible. Think that one too. Log jump. Wait, what I haven't done? Oh no. What's happening? I missed the coin. Come on, I missed the freaking coin. There. Oh, bad son, you're all over me. I'm sure I did. I bet you this. I bet you this. Okay. I'm sorry for lacking a chance to. I will make it harder next time. Right while you think it deserves. I don't care. That's not very nice. I don't care. Ah!
Ah!
Oh,
Damn
yeah.
it!
Ah. Hey Dad, I bet you can't get over the deadly course. I bet you can punch a hunter. That's not very nice, Dad. I don't care! Hold my helmet, shitface. Dad, that's not very nice to call me. I don't care. Oh yeah. Right there. That's messed up. Oops. Oh, hurry up. We have so much to tell you. Ah! Ah! Should I done it? Ah! I hate levels like this. Ah!
Oh! Oh!
Ah! I forgot. Oh, I forgot it's space to break. Go! Nope. In the butt. Does it count? I've still got his intestines. Ah! Still alive! I'm still alive. I'm still alive. No! That was a little close to my head. Woo! I love how you like you in. I've done that one, haven't I? Maybe. No, I haven't. What am I doing? I think I won. Ha ha! Oh, that's like... Nah. Yes. Nah. Nah. Guapa Napoli. Yay! Napoli. Saw throw. Jesus. Oh, I knew it once. There go Peter. All the way. Okay, he picked me first, guy. Oh, why am I grabbing onto this spiky death thing? Yeah. I killed no one but myself. Change character. Alright, big meat. If you could just let go of that, please. If I could just please get a word in. Hey, samurai! Good job. I dishonor my family. That was me. Finally, a character sits in there. Play as any character. But you have to do Segue Guy, otherwise it doesn't work. Thank you. Nah! Whatcha? I got me the penis. Oh no. Come on. Fix my penis. What is she on about? Look at her balancing though. Come on, please. Serious time. Ah. I gotta tell my wife I love her. I'm your wife, either. I thought I was his wife. Oh, I don't know why I speak like this now. I don't even know which one this is. Oh. Oh, for goodness sake. God dang it. Oh, that would have been awesome if I killed him, but no. No. Ha ha. What? Double kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Nah. Nah. Doink. Sorry, Gladys. Oh, sorry, Mr. Romantic. Yeah. I catch it and throw it back. Ah. I will destroy the woman. The woman who destroyed my life. Nah. Ah. I can't even throw up properly. My legs are shaking with rage. It is you! You to do it. You! I'm running out of swords. They don't tell you this in the booklet. No, no, no. I can't even bend backwards with the sword. I'm just... Oh no, I quit. I did not know more. Alright. What up, swinging car? I think I did. Train quiz. I love the train quiz. Sorry, it's short, but the train of the quiz. Oi, 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 oi. Well. Ah. Oh. Hey, broke the segue. Come on, handlebars. We shall go together. Yeah. Well, why make it any anyway? Apparently it's yellow. Apparently I was right. One of the 4884 big boy. Don't know how to break glasses, is true. Ah. I'm going to make the glass melt. I don't know how do you melt glasses? Can you destroy glasses though? Hey, hop, hop, holla! Whew! What's that? The worst crap? Right there. Hey, put this in my face! Wrong one. Oh, Doodle. I know which one it is this time. It's the one. It's this one, break with my fist. No! Ah! And again! Ah! It was a stupid idea. Ah! I win. I win. I win. Ah! Alrighty guys, I'm going to pause it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget the like button. If you want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is there. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.